good to me. You know it's a sin to be disobedient, don't you? Look at sis. Look at sis. She healthy, happy, and free. Guard this plait with your life. You hear me? One time for the girls off in the bag. Sis, yeah! What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mary coming to you with a really quick video that y'all was asking me for. Okay, so y'all know I go through hairstyles so fast because I'm a hair vlogger. So I can't keep my styles in as long as I may want to, but I have kept this in almost 3 weeks. It may be 3 weeks, I don't know. But honey, these butterfly locks are everything to me, and I will be revisiting this style. Don't you worry. Now I have to say goodbye to this beautiful style. Why? For you, because I got to bring y'all some more content, and I'm looking forward to it because I got some real good stuff coming up for you. Before I tell you how to safely and securely remove butterfly locks with no hair loss, let me give it up for the subscriber of the day. Bam! You the bomb, you the bomb. Y'all, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. What's up to all my new subscribers? Y'all are just killing it. I'm telling you, with the subscribing and the comments and the thumbs up, everybody is just y'all know how to do it, sister, man. Y'all really do, because y'all don't know. It's been a long time, and I've really been trying to Alright, y'all, so make sure you check out the video of how I installed this look, because I did a couple things differently than I guess traditional butterfly locks. So, and now you're gonna know how to take them out. I started the process of taking these out, and then I realized, oh shoot, I'm supposed to be filming this. So I tried to like rewrap like this one right here. What you're going to do, y'all, this is so easy. What you're going to do is you're going to find your plait. I hate that I already started, but I'm gonna show you on some other ones. You're gonna find your plait inside of this lock, and you're gonna pull it right out. You're gonna pull it out. Bam. Then what you're going to do is take a pair of shears. Bam. Oh girl, you was so good to me. Okay, so you take that out, and then you literally just pull the rest of it out. That's it. And then you take out your plait. Like, that's it. I'm not gonna take out my plaits until I take out all of the locks. So you take another one, you just kind of, cause it's loose. That's the benefit of wrapping loosely. You find your plait, take that bad boy out, bam. Sis is out of harm's way, okay? She all the way over here. You guard this plait with your life. You hear me? Don't you cut this plait. And then you take your scissors and you chop this lock, honey. I'm leaning over because you know when you cut hair, it gets like the little sprinkle pieces get on your shirt. Bam, slide that out. Bam. Look at sis. Look at sis. She healthy, happy, and free. Look at her. Bam, bam. Come on now. Come on now. They saved. Now, let's find this plait. There she go. There she go. Hey, there she go. There she go. Hey. Bam. Okay? Now, when you start getting a few plaits out, you might want to, you know, just band them up together or something, because, see, don't cut your hair and then talk about, well, Mary didn't say. Y'all, this is so easy. Bam, slide it out. That's literally all you do. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna just take these out, and, y'all, this is so easy. No damage. My hair feels so good. Cause you know, like, hold on. That one scared me a little bit. Cause it keep flopping down, man. Just chill. Chill, sis. You trying to get cut. Y'all, don't you cut y'all plait. It would be so messed up if I cut one of my plaits right now. Literally, this is all you do, you guys. And because I did mine the size that I did, and again, you guys watch the video so that you know how many strands that I use to get them this size. I had to get some clips, child, cause see, when you bald headed, you don't have these types of problems. See, when I was bald, I didn't have these types of issues, okay? Folks want me to grow my hair out. Now I got issues. I hope y'all been doing good. I hope everyone has been doing good and staying safe. I hope y'all wearing y'all masks. You know what is so crazy? I had an appointment today that I had to go to. So I'm going to put some gas in the car. Do you know nobody in that gas station had a mask on? Not one person. I was like, y'all don't want to, oh, y'all just want to catch it? Oh, y'all just want to catch it. Okay. It's so crazy. Like, people talking about that's a violation of our rights. Like, what the heck? Some folks just want to fuss about every darn thing. I will never understand some people. I'm just glad God made me the way that he did and not the way that he didn't. Because, see, I got my gas and my little water, and I got on out of there. I got smooth on out. I said, y'all ain't finna have me in here coughing. You know how the church folks say when you don't do what they tell you to do, you being disobedient. You know, church folk quick to tell you being disobedient, honey. Sometimes it don't have nothing to do with church, the Lord, or nothing else, just because you ain't do what they told you to do. You know it's a sin to be disobedient, don't you? Child, I done heard that word so much in my lifetime from church folk. I be like, I ain't been, when you be in Sunday school and somebody reading the word and their interpretation of it ain't all the way together, you be like, cause when I read it, that ain't what I got from. Some folk be like, no, she didn't. You don't even hardly come to Sunday school and even won't come here and act a fool. Child, them folk used to, I used to work that good nerve. On accident too. I didn't mean it. Every church house is not like that. I don't want y'all to get the wrong impression and be like, see, she said. I don't want no church folk coming to me talking about you turning folk away from, nope, don't you do that. Cause see, I really say something. Cause the Lord is still working on me. See, that's the thing about it. It's a lifetime journey. It really is. And when you so positive and just precious, woo! People think you won't say something. They do. They think that, honey, but I be like, oh, my name is not Susan. I'm gonna say something. I'm working on that. You don't have to say something all the time. That's what I'm working on. Okay? We're gonna learn that together. You don't have to say something all the time. Y'all, I want y'all to be proud of me for something. It is so hard for me to just shoot videos straight through and just talk to y'all straight through. It really is, cause I don't be knowing what to say. Sometimes I'll be off in my own world, and I'll be like, I know they probably be like, yeah, this girl is shell. I'm not though. I'm just peculiar. That's why when I have all these new subscribers, I'll be like, dang, y'all okay? Okay. One time for the weird girls off in the back. Yes. One time for the girls off in the back. Sis, yeah. Let me find out we all over the building. We ain't just in the back no more. Okay? You ain't just gonna sit us in the back no more. I think I am almost done, hun. I like to rhyme all the time. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yay. So now I just have a head full of unharmed plaits, my G. Unharmed plaits. You feel me? That's it. You know, when you're taking out plaits, you always start from the bottom. Now, if you have fine natural hair like me, honey, you know you have to be careful. Because if you create a knot, I'm telling you, it's not gonna turn out right in your life. It's really not, okay? It's not gonna turn out the way that God envisioned for your life. See, God envisions things for us, okay? To a fine natural, a knot is like kryptonite. See, because our hair cannot withstand a whole bunch of knots. Now, some people can have knots. Honey, my daughter, she can have 100,000 knots in her hair and still have a whole head full of it, okay? I'm telling you, we are not the same. See there? It tried to get, ooh! I'm telling you, the devil is busy. I'm gonna take my time and make sure I get no knots when cause I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Sometimes I take my plaits out like a real ninja. Sometimes I do. Hey, those knots will try to get into formation without hesitation, honey, but they don't realize, see, I'm ready for them. I'm ready for them this time. Okay, y'all, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I am all out plaited out, unplaited. My hair feels so good. Everything is out. It's easy, it's quick, it's non-damaging. This is a win-win situation for this style. I will be revisiting this style again. Let me know if you guys want me to keep it short, make it shorter, or make them longer the next time I do butterfly locks, okay? So yeah, I'm probably just gonna put this up in some sort of way. And yeah. I'm happy. I'm happy. Do me a little bun for now. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment. Y'all know I love talking to y'all. Y'all are so dope. Follow me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I am so close to 30K. I'm really close to 30K. I want y'all to know that. And I think I might do a giveaway when I reach 30K. All right, I'm so close, y'all. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, all right? Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Y'all be safe, be sweet. And in the meantime, in between time, I wish y'all all peace, love, and light.